Hey honeys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is honeydoce, and if you do know who I am, welcome back to the channel. Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. I'm going out of town on a girls trip, and if you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you guys go watch that, because that was kind of like just the random days of me prepping for this. Even though it was only a couple of days, I still had to get my lashes done, my toes done, my nails done, and go shopping a little bit. So make sure you guys go tune into my last video if you haven't already. But yes, y'all, I'm going out of town, and this is my first time going out of town without Kari. This is my first time going out of town, you know, leaving Kari here, so that's exciting but nerve-wracking as a first-time mom as well, but I should be fine. But anyways, you guys, I am walking mama right now. I'm walking mama right now, y'all, and I just need to hurry up because I need to go back inside and finish packing. So yeah, it's currently 8:22. My auntie's supposed to be coming over here to come pick me up in a little bit, and then we're gonna go pick my mom up, and then we're gonna head that way. I wanted to come and record my intro, stuff like that, because I know I'm probably not gonna be able to record it when I'm in the car because I'm gonna be driving most likely. So I will definitely try to get some good shots or whatever while driving if I can. If I can't, just bear with me because your girl is driving, and I don't want to, you know, get a ticket, get a la 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 la, you know, la 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 la, because your girl don't want to pay for a ticket. But anyways, y'all, I want to see you guys whenever I pick back up the camera. I'm actually finna do some schoolwork before I leave from my house, because I do have a research paper that's due tomorrow that I have not started, so kind of need to get that done. So yeah, I will see you guys later in a little bit. I need to focus so I can get this done before I leave. Bye. So it is currently, let me see, it's currently 10:02, and we finna hit the road. Got a 2-hour drive, and like I told y'all before, I am the one driving, so I'm not gonna be picking up the camera as much. Y'all, I got a dilemma. Everything won't fit in my suitcase. It's not gonna fit. That's okay. Ross, you gonna go anyway. Oh. Well, ask my mama to bring me a pillow. Tell her to bring me a pillow.
Tiana said bring her a pillow. A pillow she can sleep on, I guess.
And yes.
Huh? She said the Airbnb got pillows.
I don't want to pillow.
She don't want to lay on that one.
Everybody be playing on those.
They changing.
I don't trust.
Is that how you about to drive? Is that how you about to drive?
This is how I drive.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Tiana.
it is. I gotta get close.
Oh my God.
It's not that bad. Is it bad?
To each his own. That's how you gotta drive, honey. That's how you.
That is so funny that you said that, because boss got in my car, he was like, dang. He's like, you can't even move your knees.
I'm just saying, do better.
How close she is to the steering wheel.
Have you heard that lately? I'm just saying, do better. And they'll start hating only if you make it.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it to the Airbnb. We just got here, so it looks really nice. It is clean and it smells good. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. We done already walked around and stuff, so I'm gonna just give y'all a tour real quick. So yeah, but hey y'all, so this is the front door, and they got the name up here, but this is when you first walk in. You get the mirror and you get a little, I don't know what that's called, but right when you walk in to the right, you get, this is the first room. They got a couch, they got a bed here. I think it's a queen size bed, and then you got a bunk bed. That door goes to outside, which y'all will see what's outside later. And then this is the living room. You know, very nice, very simple, very cutesy. It's giving like cowgirl barn vibes, low key. And then over here, the TV, the fireplace. Me too. Now she said that. And then this is the kitchen. You know, the kitchen. And this is the coffee bar. And this is outside. This is a window though. Thought I was outside. But, and then this goes to the backyard. Y'all, it feels so good outside. Like, I'm not even kidding. But this is the backyard. They gave us like a little Connect 4, a little play area. You got putt-putt. Best believe I'm taking pictures because these lights up here, if y'all can see, those lights up there glow. So, most likely going to be taking pictures out here if I have something cute on. And then they got the fire pit and the swing and stuff. Cute rocks. Yeah. But yeah, y'all. So that's that. I'm finna go back in. I do have to finish my essay that I started earlier today, so I'm finna just go ahead and finish that up because I'm almost done. So I'm gonna finish that up and then we see where we go from there. But me in a bunk bed? No ma'am. I'm 21. I'm gross. Yeah, I didn't even show y'all these rooms. Look. So this is one of the rooms. Oh yeah, hold on. This is one of the rooms. No, real simple. This is the other room. Oh, real simple, real simple, real simple, real simple. Cutesy. Oh, you know what they don't have? And this is the other room. See? Cute, 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 cute. Here's me. Cutie. And then this is the bathroom. Cute, y'all. Cute, y'all. You know, something slight, something slight, something slight, something slight. Y'all, I'm still trying to figure out how to work this camera, so don't mind me.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And
an extra.
And guess.
That ain't no chaser.
This first shot is always the hardest.
Don't you be sleep at 8 o'clock. You're not gonna.
So right now it's currently 3:04. We getting ready to go walk the strip, the downtown strip. So I'm finna change my pants real quick because I don't want to wear these pants. I want to wear my other pants. I don't feel like wearing these pants out. I was gonna change my whole outfit, but I don't feel like doing all that. So I'm just gonna change my pants. But we're gonna re-up on some deodorant real quick. Touch up. Well, I don't need to use that because I got my roll-on spray. But touch up on my smell. Just so I can make sure I smell fresh all day. And I'm just gonna put these on.
Everybody cross the front and go like that. 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Be in there. Be in there next one.
So we made it back home. We are about to get dressed for this place. It is cold. Turn this fan off.
Till we get ready to go to bed.
But we get ready to get dressed for this pajama bingo thing. This is the outfit. So I'll see you guys later. Hey y'all. You ready to go to the pajama Ratchet bingo? Alright y'all, I will see you guys when I make it there. Love you. Mom, I need my ID.
Why we didn't get off from 2, Father? She said, and it's cold.
We don't know where we at.
And don't. I thought I was on the clock. 7 p.m. Friday. Turned up with my niggas. Turned up with my bitch. Turned up at my show. Kayla, if you don't bring your motherfucking ass.
So, get up. What time is it?
It's
12:30, and we still at we still trying to find something to eat.
I ain't been up this late since
We
I
done
broke my
went.
foot.
Where we went? We done went to Buffalo Wild Wings. We done went to where else we went?
Waffle House.
We went to a Waffle House. They said they only doing to go. What else we went? That's it. We was finna go to McDonald's, finna go to Wendy's, and now we back out of Waffle House. They're still doing to go.
To go, the fact that they didn't have our order ready by the time we got here.
No, for real. They didn't even have our order ready when we got here.
What you say, Father?
We just need to go.
Next time. Next time we gonna eat early.
I ain't even know you could order online.
We just need to go home.
Next time we ain't gonna do no dumb shit like this.
I've done a lot of shit. Yeah, I've accomplished a lot. Yes, he is a rapper, and maybe in some people's eyes,
I was mad when they didn't take orders on the phone no more. They don't do that in Jacksonville either. I said, well, dang.
It's the dudes that ain't.
He looked at the car, shook his head, and just took his jacket off.
We don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what they got going on.
But then, like a couple of minutes later, it's a whole car full of other employees just sitting in the car.
Just like I was about to tell that woman up, she would have sat the white down in that damn.
Oh, that's what y'all went in there for?
Because they went to stand up and we walked in.
What they want at? They sat down?
You lying. Not to eat.
Oh.
Who, the white people?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I mean, not that I would have ate after that anyway.
Good morning. It's the next morning, honeys, and y'all, currently it is 9:25, and we're waiting on our chef to get here because we're doing a brunch at the house. So we're just waiting on our chef to get here. Right now, we all just chilling around and stuff like that. Y'all can let me see if y'all can see. They sitting outside and stuff, you know. Good stuff. But right now I am trying to pump because if y'all don't know, I still kind of do breastfeed Zakari. Well, nurse Zakari, excuse my language. I nurse Zakari a little bit still, so after having all that alcohol last night and stuff like that, my boobs did get engorged, so I had to pump, and honestly it's taking forever. And I have like these lumps in my breast. Oh my god, that is bad. I have these lumps in my breast, y'all, so I have to like use a what's it called, like a hot rag, warm rag, to like help massage the lumps. So that's what I'm going to do. Don't look at me. And just let that sit on there. I was gonna make me some coffee this morning, but since the lady's coming, she's bringing champagne, so I don't want to do too much, even though I do want coffee.
Katie, what you want to shout at? I'm taking a shot of crap.
Morning shot.
Because I'm about to take this off.
I told you I was sweet.
He gonna be down.
What you should have did was just recorded the video and then went back and edited it.
It was nice. Oh, she never did that.
And then you could have put the music on top of it.
Yeah.
Is that really how you want to start your morning off?
No,
That shit is terrible.
the insides are burning.
What y'all have? Huh?
Y'all, I'm finna get in the shower. Well, I turned on the water, y'all, and I walked out real quick. Look how foggy it is in here. Like, it's giving up finna burn down the house by taking a shower. But y'all, I'm finna take me a shower real quick because it's well needed. I'm gonna take me a shower and put on my pajamas before we do the brunch. Y'all, my voice is kind of about to go out, but I'm gonna take me a shower real quick. I just want to show y'all the fog. Like, the fog is crazy. The fog is crazy. Best believe I was gonna be burning and boiling my skin in here. Alright, y'all, so I am done. I just got out the shower. Let me show y'all the little pajama brunch outfit. So we all got on, oh my gosh, what's going on with my camera? Oh, so we all got on matching pajamas, and I of course got on my little fluffy furs. I did my hair real cute. All right, now I'm gonna go outside with the rest of them because everybody outside. Should I put my nose rings in? Yeah, I'm gonna put my nose rings in. Brokey. He like, who you think you is? Nigga, not your girl. Period. Y'all, I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed. Next time I'm not playing the game. Where's my pillow? Yeah, my boobs still hurt. So, hold on. So we had to call the police, y'all, because it was these kids playing. Hold on, I gotta fix the camera. So we had to call the police because it was these kids playing outside, and they, like, it was a dog outside too. Hold on, y'all, this look funky. Get right. Pause. But like I was saying, y'all, we had to call the police on the neighbors because it was a dog and a kid playing, and the dog was chewing the kid's foot. Police came and they was just like, there was no bite marks or whatever on the kid, which is a lie. I feel like they're hiding it somewhere. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna try to go to sleep. I'm tired.
Ready? Oh. Ready? 5, 4, 3. She can say how you doing jumping jack. Go.
2.
Go.
No, dog, you're not jumping.
You're not doing that's not fair. Dog quit.
That was the whole point of picking her ass. Alright, y'all. So I am ready to go. I gotta talk really loud because I got music playing in the background. But I just got on my red kitten heels. I forgot what they call it.
At Burger King, we flame grill our burgers. Why? Because that's how it should be done. Hot, juicy, smoky, flame grilled and made your way.
Alright, y'all, so we just changed location. We're at Fire Street Food. I had to down a whole margarita. That's such a break. At first it was this. That's your food part?
Oh, we deep in this. What is this? Infinity? Hey, turned up with my bitches. Turned up with my shows. I like that bar.
So last night was a night. That's what I said. Savannah doesn't owe me nothing at all. But we are about to get ready and get dressed because we got to check out at 10. And we're supposed to be going to get brunch and hopefully some tattoos. So. Hey guys, it's Editing DOCE here. I totally forgot to film my outro for you guys, but thank you so much for watching this vlog. We had a great time in Savannah, and Savannah owes us nothing. And just make sure you guys stay tuned with my upcoming content, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram at honey.doce and my TikTok at honey.doce_. Bye, honeys.